Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to change the gain on your rtl-sdr on Dump1090 software if you're running Piaware from flightaware.com for ADSB. Normally, from default, it's set at neg 10. So, if you want to change that, we just need to do a simple thing here. We just need to go to this directory here. And once you're in there, we just need to scroll down. And under receiver options, here beside gain, normally it would be 10, but we are going to change that to whatever you feel like. Now, different areas, are going to be different, so you're going to have to just trial and error. So once you have that changed to what you feel like, we can just do a Control X, Y, enter, and that will save save it there. So now we just need to run the following command to restart it, and there you go. So if you have to go back in here to change this again, to lower it, to make it higher or whatnot, just make sure you do another restart, or just restart your Pi or whatever altogether for the for it to take change. So other than that, that's about it. Hopefully that helps out. Something simple, but hopefully it'll work out. All right, thanks.